we have Ashish Kyal as well. Thanks a lot, gentlemen, for joining in.
See, as far as Sanofi India, we have seen some sharp sell-off, but it has a very important support around 6,900. So possibly, let's see if there is a possibility of a bounce back from these levels. So hold on over here for Sanofi India. Keep a stop loss of 6850, just below that support level 6850, and hold on to Sanofi India. As far as Bajaj Hindustan, I think he has acquired at a very decent price, show a very good run up right now. I would advise to book some partial profits here and continue to ride the trend, because the overall sector has been doing exceptionally well, and we can see Bajaj Hindustan possibly moving towards that 24-25 mark. So hold on to the stock here, use a trailing stop loss of around 19 rupees. That will ensure that he is at least not getting out of the stock at a loss. So hold on over here.
All right.
See, if you look at the overall trend of both the stocks, those have been on the downside. We have not seen any kind of recovery in those stocks so far. But having said that, I think Burger King has a very important support around 95, 96 levels. It formed a double bottom, trying to form some kind of a base formation. So hold on over here, which is now known as a restaurant brands. And I think there is a possibility we can see a levels of 125 on the upside. So hold on to Burger King, use 95 as a stop loss, and 125 is where he can then look forward for his positions to book out. As far as Sequent Scientific is concerned, again, the trend has been on the downside for some time, nearly almost a year now. But there is some kind of positive divergence we are seeing. I'm expecting that the stock can possibly move towards the level of 160, 170 on the upside, which is closer to his price. So hold on over here as well. 120 is the stop loss on the downside for this stock.
All right. And now?
Yes, absolutely. I think Orient Green, if you look at the chart, I mean, it has either in the circuit up or the circuit down with very erratic volume. So it's best to be out from a stock like this, where you either see a circuit up or a down, because if it starts the down circuit again, you will not be able to get out. So there is no risk management that you can do in these kind of stocks, and the volumes are very erratic. So I would suggest him to be out from here. Do not expect any miracles to happen. Currently, I think trading around 11, 12 rupees. It's better to be from here and invest. If you want to be into a power stock, then something like Tata Power from the mid to large time horizon, he can hold on to that stock or buy that stock.
All right, Ashish, your thoughts on the other stock that he's holding, Man Industries?
See, Mangala, Man Industries has shown a very good recovery from the levels of 80, touched around 110. That looks like wave one to me, and now it's trying to just consolidate and correcting in terms of time, not much of a price in form of wave 2. So I am optimistic in this stock. Possibly a third should start, which should take prices towards the level of 125 on the upside. So hold on to Man Industries. The stop loss on the downside can be maintained at somewhere around 93 levels, and we can expect the stock to even cross back above 125.
All right, a hold on Man Industries. Ashish, your thoughts?
See, Philip Carbon, we are seeing a lot of volatility. The stock moved from 92, touched the levels of 134, corrected sharply, and is now around that 113 mark. So given the volatility, if he is comfortable with that kind of movement, I think he can hold on to the stock, keeping a stop loss of 108. And we can see a bounce back in the stock back towards that 128 or 130 levels over short term. From the medium term perspective, or from a 1 year perspective, I think the stock can move towards that 140 level as well. So continue to hold on to Philip Carbon. As far as Bhansali Engineering Polymers is concerned, I think there has been a very sharp correction. We have already seen the stock moving from 180 levels towards the low of 125, which it touched today after a gap down, and showing some kind of a recovery. So I think today's low at 125, 124 is going to be an important support. Keep that as a stop loss. Do not try to lose much here now. And 124 support, in case the stock moves above 145, we can start seeing some kind of a recovery. So hold on over here, but keep a strict stop loss of 124.